Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to divide fractions, which is a very common exam style question in GCSE. In this lesson, I will show you a simple method called KCF method that makes dividing fractions very easy to remember. Let's get started. Now, suppose if you have a question 3 over 5 divide by 2 over 8. Now, here you have a fraction with division, so we can't go ahead. We need to do something for division. Okay, so now to get rid of division, we have a method called KCF method. KCF. Okay, you are going to write this method above this fraction. So first fraction will have K, divide will have C, second fraction will have F. Okay, and now K means keep the fraction same. So you are going to keep the fraction same. Okay, so as it you are going to write here 3 over 5. C. Now C means change the sign. Okay, so you have to change it. So now what's the opposite of divide? So opposite of divide is multiply. So you're going to put multiply here. You will put the times. So opposite of divide is times. Next is flip. So now you have to flip the positions. Okay, so flip the position or do the reciprocal. Okay, so flip the position means now 8 will go at the top, 2 will come down. So you have flipped it. And now, when you have fractions with multiply, it's very easy. You just multiply the numerators, you multiply the denominators. Done. Okay, so you will do now 3 times 8 is 24. 5 times 2 is 10. So whenever you have fraction with multiplication, it's very easy. Okay, so out of 4 type of fractions, multiplication fractions are very easy. Just you multiply the top to top, multiply bottom to bottom. Done. Okay, and in exam now they can ask you to simplify your answer. Okay, or they can ask you give your answer in mixed number. So now if they ask you to simplify your answer, you're going to make this number more smaller. So you're going to simplify it. Okay, so now you're going to think which times table have 24 and 10. So 24 and 10 can go very nicely in 2 times table. So I will divide by 2 and I will get the answer. How many 2 can make 24? So it will be 12. And how many 2 can make 10? 5. So this is my simplified answer. So this is my final answer. There can be a more extension in your exam. They can ask you give your answer in mixed number. So mixed number, you know very well, you need to have one whole number and fraction. So what you will do now when you want to do the mixed number, you are going to divide. So you will use your bus stop method and divide. And you're going to ask yourself how many 5 you can get in 12. So you can get only 2. 5 times 2 is 10 and 2 is the remainder. Okay, and then now you're going to write your answer in mixed number. How many 5 you got in 12? 2 whole. And what was the remainder? 2. And denominator is 5. So this is your mixed number. So this is called mixed number. Okay, and this is called, this one is simplified. Okay, done. So this type of question you can get in exam with the division, and they can ask you to write your answer in simplified manner, or they can ask you to write your answer in mixed number. All the best.